This is the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे हैं। मैं भी अच्छा हूँ। लाइफ इज़ गुड ऑन बोर्ड। सो लास्ट व्लॉग में आप लोग देखे थे मैं मेरा न्यू S24 Ultra फ्रॉम सैमसंग मैं खरीदा था फ्रॉम द लास्ट पोर्ट इन मॉरिशियस। दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट माई फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस ऑफ दिस फोन फ्रॉम अ ब्लॉगर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। So I will not go into much detail, but I will only share with you my first impressions and my experience of the first few days using this phone. So without any further ado, let's get on to it. So first things first. So let's talk about the form factor. So ये phone थोड़ा बड़ा है. It's kind of huge, but not that huge. It fits perfectly in your hand. And इसका screen size is 6.8 inches. Bezels बहुत कम है side में. So which is why you are getting the bigger screen size. Bigger than many other smartphones now. It weighs only 232 grams. हाथ में लेके उतना भी heavy नहीं feel होता. It feels quite light. And I have been using my iPhone 11 for years now, and this phone doesn't feel very different weight-wise. But otherwise, everything. If you are used to a bigger phone, then this is a very good phone to be using for a daily purpose. And इसका body is made of grade 2 titanium. So एक titanium मेरे शरीर में है, एक titanium मेरे हाथ में है. The next thing which everybody looks for in a smartphone is its performance. And by performance, I mean its processor. So this Samsung S24 Ultra comes with a Snapdragon processor, and it's very fast. Any phone which you buy today, you will be wanting to use it for a few years, right? But believe me, in today's date, with technology changing every day, over the years the phones have improved so much. It is becoming very difficult for everybody to stick or cling on to one phone for years. Like I have been using my iPhone for 5 years now almost, but it's not working anymore because the technology is improving every day, and you have to have a phone which kind of is at par with the changing technology always. So this phone is perfect as of now, and it also Samsung also guarantees 7 years of software updates, but I don't think anybody will be using it for 7 years. I intend to. Let's see. Performance wise अगर बात करें तो this phone is super fast. I have used it for everyday work, like browsing through apps, email, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and also gaming. So far I have not found any issue. Although when using the camera app and using the super telephoto and telephoto lenses, it kind of gets heated up in the upper parts of the phone. So there is that, but other than that, it works very smoothly. The next big thing about this phone is its AI features. So we are right now living in the age of artificial intelligence, and this phone is one of the first in the world to actually bring these AI features to the fullest to any smartphone. Samsung itself does a lot of marketing about its Galaxy AI. The new Galaxy AI is here, and it's actually true. The new Galaxy AI is actually here, and some of the AI features I will show you. So this is the picture I took outside just now, but this gyro repeater is kind of ruining my shot. So let's see what we can do about it. I go to edit, and this is the button right here for AI. Let's select it, and here it says tap or draw around anything you want to move or delete. So if I just create a rough selection around this, and it has done a very good job at only selecting this part. Now comes the fun part. If I tap and hold, I can move this anywhere, but the best part is I can also erase it. Now if I press generate, it will try to fill in this scene, and let's see how good it does the job. Press generate. It is working its magic behind in the background, and let's see what results are on the way. There you go. Fantastic, just fantastic. Little bit here and there. If I press done here and little bit here and there, you can see a little bit of glitches are there, but so far if you see on an overall, for a layman, it has done a fantastic job. This was the original image and this is the final image. So that is the power of AI in this phone. Another cool feature of AI on this phone is the slow motion. I'm not talking about the regular slow motion of the camera, but there is a feature, very cool feature in the gallery app. So I will show you in a minute what I am talking about. This is a normal video shot at 4K 30 FPS. I shot yesterday, and if I play it now, it's running at normal speed. But if I hold it, it instantly turns it into a slow-mo. If I release it, again normal speed. Again if I hold it, turns it into a slow-mo. So that is one of the coolest features in the gallery app. It can turn any video into an instant slow-mo video. There you see. And you can also save this slow-mo, which is being done right now in real time, into a separate slow-mo video also. है ना मजेदार चीज? Another cool feature of this phone is the S Pen. You pull it out and start writing your heart out. So you can use this S Pen for numerous things. So for example, taking notes and converting handwriting into text, adding any notes in calendar, and drawing proper shapes, and so many more things. And you can customize this S Pen to any way you want, whichever style you want. Biggest advantage of this phone is its brightness. It comes with a 2600 nits of brightness, and I am standing in bright daylight and sunlight now, and you can see I can see absolutely everything. And another thing which Samsung has added in its S24 Ultra phones, that is anti-reflective coating. So which many phones do not have. Even the iPhones, the highest flagship models also have a little bit of glare or reflection in the sun, but this phone you can see absolutely no reflection at all, but you can actually see the screen. Even if you have a little bit of reflection, you can properly see the screen very well. This is a feature which I really needed and really loved. The S24 Ultra comes with a 200 megapixel sensor, and it's a huge sensor of a camera. So I'm going to try and shoot one photo right here from the bridge. Let's see. I am going to try to shoot a picture of the ship from the bridge here, and then I will show you guys how much detail this camera actually captures. This is the picture I just took. At first it looks very simple, but if I zoom in, then you start seeing the actual difference. With 200 megapixel, there is so much of detail, even from so far away. Now let's come to the main and the most hyped feature of the Ultra phones, and Samsung has always branded its Ultra models for this feature, and this S24 Ultra is no less. The feature which I am talking about is its zoom capabilities. So Samsung S24 Ultra comes with a 50 megapixel telephoto camera which can take up to 5x optical zoom, but Samsung claims that it can shoot up to 10x also with AI. So I will show you how. I am going to zoom into one of the containers which we are carrying in our forward base, and I am going to try and look into one of the container numbers right from here in the bridge using the telephoto and the super telephoto lenses. So let's see if I can do that. So right now I am on the wide angle camera 1x. Let's zoom into 3x. Okay, not bad, but not that very clear also. Let's zoom into the 5x camera, and I can see pretty sharply. Let's zoom into the super telephoto camera 10x, and there you go, very clear. And let's try the maximum 20x, and there you go. I can clearly see what the container number is right here from the bridge. So that's how amazing this Samsung S24 Ultra zoom capabilities are. Let's try the zoom feature of the photos. So it has an optical zoom of up to 5x, but you can digitally zoom up to 100x. So there is a ship right there, and I am going to take a picture of that ship, and I am going to see how good the picture looks. This is now the wide angle camera, and now let's zoom into the 3x, and now 5x and 5x it is still far away. Let's try 10x. At 10x it looks decent. Now let's zoom into more. Becomes shaky, but okay, let's try to steady it, and here we go. Let's try and see the photo now. It isn't that bad, it isn't that good. I mean, it did a pretty decent job at taking a far away photo of that ship, and it uses AI to digitally enhance and intelligently optimize the photo as best as it can. I mean, it looks pretty decent to me. I mean, what more can we expect from a smartphone? Smartphone video stabilization has improved drastically over the years, and the S24 Ultra is a clear winner in this segment. This is a side-by-side comparison of my iPhone 11 and the S24 Ultra. It also has a super steady mode, much similar to the active mode on iPhone 15 Pro. So it really doesn't matter nowadays whether you walk, run or jump. Your phone will still capture the best possible footage. मैं अभी just deck पे आया हूँ and I'm going to go to the forward, extreme forward of the ship, and I am going to try out the zoom capabilities once again from the forward. The maximum कितना होता है देखता हूँ, and I'm also wearing my GoPro chest mount, तो इसको भी ट्राई करता हूँ. जब ऊपर जाऊँगा इसको पहन के जाऊँगा. Right now I am standing in the forwardmost part of the ship. So this is the forwardmost part of the ship, and I'm standing on this platform here. This is the horn in the forward part, and this is the platform, and that's the ship going ahead on cutting through the beautiful sea today. And I am going to zoom into the bridge from here, and I'm going to test the maximum zoom capabilities of this phone. And let's see what the other second officer is doing on the bridge right now. This is the wide angle. Now let's go to 3x, 5x, 10x, and there you can see the bridge. Let's go to the maximum zoom, 20x. That's the bridge. That's the bridge wing, and this is the bridge. But I can't see our second officer anywhere. Maybe he's busy doing something else. So that's how powerful this Samsung S24 Ultra zoom is. I can easily look into the bridge right from the forward part of the ship, and also from the bridge to the forward part, and I can look into any container number from the bridge standing anywhere. So that's all the features I have tried so far in this phone for the few days which I am using here, and that's my first impressions of this beautiful and amazingly powerful phone. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. And once again, this video is not a in-depth tech review or a gadget review. It is just my first impressions, my ideas and my usage experience of this new phone. And if you want to buy this phone, it's a beautiful and beast of a phone, and I will keep using this phone, and I will use this phone for my daily vlogging on board this ship now, the remaining months which I have left, and I will update you guys on how the experience is. So with this I will end this vlog today. I hope आप लोगों को ये vlog अच्छा लगा हो. I will see you in the next vlog very soon. Until then, stay safe.